Wondering how to connect your BabyBuddha Express cups to your pump, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your BabyBuddha Express pumps to the BabyBuddha pump. So let's get started. In your pack, you will have 2 of your BabyBuddha Express cups. In the pack, you will also have these connection pieces. Now there is an A and a B. These parts are simply to convert your current setup with the pump to bottle, so it will convert to the cup. So let's take a look. First, you're going to need, now these bits do come out. Make sure that you have the connector piece in the small bit of tubing, like so. And then you are going to want to connect this to the other piece. So it looks like this. Then we are going to take our traditional pump piece. We're going to want to remove your tubing. It can be a bit tight, so you might have to give it a good tug. And then simply that end of the tubing pushes in to the connection point. So it is really super simple. Once you have that, you can take the thin end and push that into the top opening of your cup. Make sure these are all on nice and firm. Any air gaps will impact your suction, so make sure they are all nice and firm. And there you have it. Your pump is now connected to your collection cup, so this will fit really nice and discreetly in your bra. Now these are also usable with some of the major brands like the Spectra S1, S2, as well as the Medela Pumping Style Advance. So they are really great, especially if you have some other pumps and would like to use them. Hope this video helps.